Yeah, the guy bit me on the neck. I thought he was a legit doctor. That's the last time I go to Dr. Acula. Oh, hey, I gotta go. What do you say? You ready? Here we go. Today, we're going to be solving these equations. We're also going to talk about something called multiplicity. Oh, it's so much fun. I'm very excited for you guys to be able to go through these notes with me. Example 1, we're going to solve this by factoring 3x to the 5th, 18x to the 4th, 27x to the 3rd. Always look for a greatest common factor first. All of these are multiples of 3, right? 3, 18, 27. They also all have at least x to the 3rd. So we're going to kick out 3x to the 3rd. Now 3x to the 3rd times x squared would give us 3x to the 5th. We need 18x to the 4th. So 3 times 6 is 18. X to the 3rd times x to the 1st would be x to the 4th. 3 times 9 is 27. We already have the x to the 3rd. And let's keep going from there. We got to bring in all our old tricks. So you look at the last one, 9. We're looking for factors of 9 that add up to 6, which are 3 and 3. So if we factored this correctly, we'd have 3x to the 3rd times x plus 3 times x plus 3, which technically can be written as x plus 3 squared. So let me scooch this down a little bit here. So solving, remember this x out here, if you have anything out in front of the parentheses with an x, then that x could equal 0. Here, these both say x plus 3, so for both of them, x could equal negative 3. Now, if you substitute that into the first equation, both of these will work. You sub in 0, it works. You sub in negative 3, it works. So that's what we're doing today. If I can move down. Here's the second one. Now it always has to equal 0. We know this. So we're going to have to move negative 36 over there by adding 36. We got x to the 4th minus 13x squared plus 36 equals 0. Let me erase that little part right there. Now you look, usually we see x squared plus something x and then nothing. This, they're just doubled. So like before it was x plus 3 and x plus 3, this will be x squared plus something and x squared plus something. Or in this case, they'll both be minus. We're looking for factors of 36 that add up to negative 13, which are going to be negative 9 and negative 4. Great, that's factored. Oh, but not completely. Look at that, that's the difference of squares. You can square root the x, you can square root the 9. So remember when that happens, you square root each one of them, you put one with a plus, one with a minus. Square root of x squared is x, square root of 9 is 3. So x plus 3 times x minus 3. The same thing's going to happen here with this x squared minus 4. You can square root both of those. Put one with a plus, one with a minus. Square root of x squared is x. Square root of 4 is 2. And now we can solve each part of this. X plus 3, that means x could equal negative 3. X minus 3, that one can equal positive 3. Right? It's always the opposite, because this is like x minus 3 equals 0 and solve it. X plus 2, that means x could equal negative 2. And x minus 2, x equals positive 2. That's it, man. What do you say? What do you say? You ready to try some more? Okay.